What is up, guys? Your pick is small. What is up, guys? Your pick is small second channel, and I just want to show you my car. It is so messed up. This is a Z-Type, and look at it. The whole roof of it is like chapped off. My head is totally through the roof. It's like chopped, and then you can't see, but I'll try to back up here. I can't even. I'm totally stuck now. You're an idiot. Vortex Ninja. Okay, so see my lights. Look at my lights. So yeah, look at my car. I've done this by going under a car or a train. So I'm gonna look at it. I can't even drive it. It's like I'm not even trying to steer it that way. And this is after the patch, so I don't have any money for it. And now I'm just done with that car. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Please subscribe, like, and whatever.